Welcome to our 5-gram Smart Factory. Our WMS Automated Warehouse System encompasses both raw material and finished goods storage areas. What you see now is the finished goods transport corridor, a critical component of our high-efficiency operations. This layout significantly reduces floor storage space while dramatically increasing spatial utilization. Both raw materials and finished goods can be rapidly identified and retrieved, minimizing manual labor and substantially boosting overall operational efficiency. To learn more, visit the link or contact us.